Hey everyone, Jessica here with today's AI news. If you're running a small business and drowning in after-hours paperwork, Anthropic just launched something that could change everything. Claude for Small Business launched Wednesday. It's built for real small businesses like yours, not giant companies like Walmart. Small businesses make up nearly half of all U.S. jobs, but most haven't started using AI yet. The tools out there are too complicated or don't work with what small businesses actually need. Most people just use AI for basic chatting and that's it. Claude for Small Business fixes that problem. It plugs right into the apps you already use. Think QuickBooks, PayPal, HubSpot, Canva, DocuSign, Google, and Microsoft. No learning new software. The system comes with 15 ready-made workflows. These tell Claude exactly how to handle your payroll, balance your books, spot trends in your sales, run marketing campaigns, and train new employees. Claude does all that boring work that keeps you up at night. You know, chasing down invoices, planning payroll, or starting a new marketing push. But you stay in control. Claude does the work and shows you what it wants to do. Nothing sends, posts, or pays until you say yes. Starting May 14 in Chicago, Anthropic's hitting the road. They're doing free half-day training workshops for 100 local business owners in each city. You get real, hands-on practice, not just another boring webinar. Plus, everyone gets a free month of Claude Max to try it out. This is huge. Small businesses finally get the same tools that only big corporations could afford before. And that's what I've got for you today. I'll see you tomorrow.